Good morning, everybody. My phone just went off. I just got back from picking up groceries. I only have eyebrows on today and a bit of mascara. I am going to do a full face of makeup because Colin and I, it's Super Bowl Sunday, so we're going to go to a Super Bowl party after the girls are in bed. It's 9:30 in the morning. We left at 8:30 to pick up groceries. So I thought that I would show you guys what we got, and I also thought that I would show you our supper tonight. I'm going to be making schnitzel, which is one of our favorite things, and it's like a staple in this house, and it's very, very easy to make, so I can't wait to show you guys that. And I just wanted to thank all of you for your sweet and supportive comments that I got on my last video and on the messages I received on Instagram. I really, really appreciate it so very much, and I think I'm at peace with it now, and I'm really just enjoying my time with the girls. And to be perfectly honest, although I'd do anything to get that pregnancy back, in a heartbeat, I would do anything to get it back, I am really enjoying just being in the moment and not even thinking about another baby, because I feel like whenever I am thinking, where you going, Missy? She's eating her cookie back here. Whenever I think about another baby and planning, it like takes my mind off of right here and now. So I'm really just enjoying not thinking about that and having time with these little nuggets. Show everyone your cookie. Well, it's half of a cookie. Daddy got her a heart-shaped cookie from Tim Hortons the other day. He's such a good daddy. But anyways, I'm gonna unpack the groceries and then I'll show you guys what we got. Okay, so we'll start over here. So I got 2 packs of eggs. We go through a lot of eggs in this house. I have eggs every single morning, and sometimes I make the girls pancakes, so I need eggs, obviously. I got my favorite hazelnut creamer. We got a lot of meat because we were out of quite a bit. So I just got this AAA stewing beef, chicken breast raised without antibiotics, some lean ground beef, and 2 things of lean ground chicken. I make these chicken ranch burgers that I'm gonna film a video on. I showed them on my Instagram, but they were so good, so I'm gonna do a recipe video this week. I got veggie burger and 2 things of veggie ground because I'm trying to eat a little bit more plant-based, because that's when I felt the best physically. We got some bread. This is Stone Mill Creek. This is sprouted 3-grain bread. And then I got multi-grain sourdough rye. And then my favorite is the cranberry pumpkin seed bread. Our favorite ranch dressing, Brussels sprouts we're gonna have with the schnitzel tonight. I got this Ryvita crackers. This is cranberry multigrain. And this one is French. Oh no, it's not French, just multigrain. These are really good too for a little snack. I got the girls a ton of fruit pouches because they love those. And then lots of veggies. So we got zucchini, whoopsies, lose one, zucchini, potatoes, applesauce for the girls, mushrooms for omelets, bananas, we go through a lot of bananas, cucumber, 2 things of cucumber because we go through a lot of cucumber, green onions, sweet potato, avocados, although I can't stomach those because I have gallbladder issues, grape tomatoes, chickpeas because I'm going to do some roasted chickpeas. These are the only granola bars I'll buy for the girls because they're organic, and it's blueberry fig bar, and they have a lot of natural ingredients. And then of course Lara bars. And then I've got cheese. This is ham? Yeah, ham and turkey breast. And then I just got these meatless crispy tenders. So I'm trying to make more homemade, healthy, organic, and just better snacks. So these are energy balls from the Yum and Yummer cookbook. I will leave the recipe down below, but they are so delicious and good for you. My mom made these ones and I made some more in the fridge. And it's almond butter, coconut flakes, you can use chocolate chips, you can use walnuts, you can use dried cranberries, chia seeds, flax seeds, and anyways, I'll leave the recipe down below, but they're amazing and so delicious, and they're a good snack for the kids. So now I'm having a proper breakfast because I just had one of those energy balls before we left, so it's 10 to 10, and I have some field roast sausage, which is plant-based sausage. And so I have one of those cut up, and then I've got tomatoes, onions, and 2 eggs, and that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. I'm trying to eat, like I said, more natural, less processed, to get my health in order. and just to feel better. You got your lipstick. Can I have some? Oh, thank you. It is much later now, and I don't really feel the best today. I feel like I'm kind of, I guess, run down and like fighting something. So my appetite is kind of non-existent right now. So I just had like a little, like half of one slice of that Stone Mill Creek multigrain bread with a little bit of whipped cream cheese. And what else did I have? And then I just had another energy ball and some tea, and I'm honestly not hungry at all. So hopefully I will get some energy back and feel a bit better. But I just find this time of year, it's always like, I feel like I'm always like fighting something. And I do think that when you do start eating better, sometimes all this stuff comes out. So that could be it too. But if I eat a snack, I will show you guys. It's 1:30 right now. Colin's home. He's going to be working on our fireplace. We got the stone to finish it because we're hoping to list our house this spring. So he's doing that, and then I will show you guys if I have a snack, and I'm going to show you guys the delicious supper that you'll all love and need to make for your family because it's seriously so good.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes.
So it's now, I'm just talking to the vlog. It's now 3 o'clock and I decided that I actually do need a snack. So I've got two, it looks weird but it tastes so good, Ryvita crackers with hummus on the bottom, 2 slices of turkey, and some pickles on top. And it looks really good. And Colin is making, our dining room's a disaster, but he's making headway on the fireplace. Looks really good.
Yeah, sorry, my phone is terrible in my house. I heard you'll be an hour and...
So the schnitzel is cooking away and I just have the vegetables in the oven at 425. Go say hi. Say hi. Oh, thank you. Hi. You look just like your daddy. And now Blakey, she has no pants. You did, good job. She's helping daddy. Good girl with the stone. And I am gonna, good job, honey. I'm gonna stay home tonight with the girls because Blake woke up complaining about her teeth. So I think she's getting, I thought she already had her molars in, but I guess she's getting another tooth and it's kind of bothering her, so, and I feel kind of yucky still, so I don't really want to stay out till 11 o'clock or later and then risk it not feel good in the morning. So this is gonna be me and the girls. Colin's getting picked up in an hour. And yeah, just clean up and do that. Hey? Yeah. I just cleaned up from supper, dishes are drying, and I washed the floors, and this is why I use Shaklee, which is like a natural cleaner, because Livy was just putting her hands on the floor and it has no chemical smell. And it's just great and healthy. I'm out of breath because I was washing the floor vigorously. And then I have to fold all those towels, but I forgot to mention that the schnitzel, I just cooked in like a frying pan and I can just tell when it's done. You can cut it open if you need to. There's not really a time, you just kind of know. I know that doesn't really help, but you could just cut it open to see if it's finished, just to be sure, but that's kind of what I do. And we had the roasted vegetables. Girls didn't eat very much, but Colin got that much of the fireplace done. He's gonna finish the rest, then we're gonna put trim, repaint the walls, probably this color, which is Edgecombe Gray by Benjamin Moore, change out the curtains, get live edge for here, like a live edge top, and we might paint this black or something. We are moving, but we just wanna like make this place look epic to get a good bang for our buck. We haven't found a house or anything yet, so who knows, but we're not ready yet anyways, but I see you. She's like trying to crawl towards me. Hi! But I'm exhausted and just don't feel well, so I'm really glad that I stayed in, but woo! You can hear Livy there. She wants mommy. So I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to bathe them. Livy! What? What? Oh! Oh goodness. I gotta go get her, but I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow.